Hi everyone, in today's video I will walk you through how to trade crypto on tofro.com in 2025. So without further delay, let's dive in. First of all, open your web browser and here you need to simply search for tofro.com. Once you are on Tofro, you need to tap on the login option here in the top right hand corner, provide your login credentials and simply log in into your account. If you don't know how you can register over here, I have created a separate video on the channel. You can check that out, or you can simply tap on the register option, fill out your email address, create a strong password and use this particular code that will be flashing here on the screen, because without that code you won't be able to register here. So once you are in your account here, tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen, then go to futures option. So here you can basically place your orders in futures and perpetuals. So based on your trading styles, you can select any of these. So after tapping on futures, you will see the time frame here in the top, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 day and so on. So you can tap on this drop down menu here in the top in order to just check out further digital currencies, like we have BTC, Ethereum, Cardano, Doge, etc. So you can choose any of these. Let's say I want to choose TRC USDT, so I'm gonna be just tapping on it. Now based on your trading skills, you need to simply apply that skills over here, and here you need to select whether you want to call or put for it. So here enter the amount of quantity here, select your option and sit back and relax in order to see how your trade goes. If you just scroll down, you can just take a look at the current order that you have placed here in the bottom. If you tap on the historical orders, you will see the history of your past orders. You have also be able to see the option of invited me, and if you have any copy trading history, you will also be able to track it by tapping on this option. So this was for futures. If you are into perpetuals, you can tap on the perpetual options. Then again you will see a bunch of different time frames. If you tap on this drop down menu, you will see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies, so you can select any of these. For example, let's say I want to select Ethereum, then you can select whether this position is isolated or any other. Select the leverage that you want to use, whether it is a market order or a limit order. Enter the amount here, then select whether you want to long it or short it. So this should be based on your own trading skills. Then if you just scroll down, you will see the same options over here as well. That includes your current position, your current order, the historical commission and the historical transactions. So this is how you can use tofro.com for crypto trading. Now before ending this video, I would like to mention that anything that is said and done in this video is for educational purposes only. This video is not affiliated with tofro.com, and always do your own diligence and research before trading into any of the platforms. Thanks for watching. Bye.